familiar faces. On my block, in my circle, in familiar places. And the sun don't shine like it used to. These rainy days ain't something that I'm used to. Catching myself swerving in and out of traffic. Ice grilling niggas for no reason like I want static. Wifey telling me, be a little easy, daddy. Is that a sign from God because she need me badly? Crazy wildin', maybe I got a death wish. Blood pressure rising, anxiety got me breathless. Blood ain't thicker than these waves that I'm riding through. Blood stains my chest as I'm laying in this hospital. All Father, have mercy on my soul. Ready to die, even though the saying gets old. Meek shall inherit the earth, I inherited worse. I inherited a curse for whatever it's worth.
Just ain't been the same lately. Faces got crooked, handshakes got shady. My pop said it's a popularity, maybe. Yeah, maybe. That don't really add up to no gravy. Nah. Either way, I feel I'm following my footsteps. Everywhere I go, there they go. Where my kids rest, I can't accept lame niggas trying to stress me. Gotta find a way to design a play to get free. Got me speeding with a busted headlight, right through the red light. No time for me to get nice. The liquor probably make a nigga more antsy. Plus I forgot the 45 tucked in my pantry. Need to hit a phone booth, not cause I'm Superman. Gotta make a call to tell my kids I wanna hold their hands. Give them one last hug, give mom one kiss. Shit out of luck, why I got to end like this?